Hello superstars, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make money online, not specifically in Nigeria, but you can make money online anywhere in the world, both in Nigeria, in America, anywhere you are in the world. You can get registered and start making money online for free. Yeah, you're gonna be getting paid $10 for free, but a disclaimer is this can make you rich, it can make you be a millionaire, it can make you be a millionaire, afford the lifestyle that you want, but affiliate marketing can. And that is why I'm teaching some sets of persons how to run affiliate marketing and how to base their income on affiliate marketing and how to turn their salary into petty change compared to affiliate marketing. If you want to learn affiliate marketing, just leave a comment, I am interested, and I'm going to send you a link down there to my DM so that I can teach you affiliate marketing. But before leaving a comment, I want you to also know that before you can register on this company I'm using, which is Seller, you really need to have a startup capital of 5,500 naira. So if you have that startup capital of 5,500 naira and you're still interested, just leave down there a comment, I am interested, so that I will get noticed and send you the link to my DM and teach you how. Okay guys, so all that being said, let's get into the main video for today. Okay, so I've made a video about this platform, but I haven't talked about the referral program of this platform, right? This platform is giving a referral program of $10, and the name of this platform is Paid Work. To register on Paid Work is actually easy. What you just have to do is to click the link down there in the description box. Once you click the link, right now I'm gonna copy the link. Okay, right now I'm gonna copy the link and I'm gonna be pasting it down there in the description box. So once you just click the link, you're going to come over to Paid Work, and for each friend you refer down to Paid Work, you're going to get $10. If you use my link to register for Paid Work, you're going to get $10, and I'm gonna get $10. So what you just have to do is just to get registered on Paid Work, look for the part where it says referral program down here. As you can see right there, just look for the part where it says referral program, and once you just click on the part where it says referral program, it's going to bring you alternatively to something like this. Okay, it's gonna bring you up to somewhere. Let's just wait for this to load. What's this? Okay, it's gonna bring you up to something like this. Then the next thing you just have to do is just to copy the link right here, and once you've copied the link right here, you just have to go and send it to most of your friends that they should register on Paid Work. And once they register on Paid Work using your referral link, you're going to get $10 free bonus, and then too they're gonna get $10 free bonus as said right here. And if you still want to read more about the referral program and everything, like your frequently asked questions, what you just have to do is to click on this part where it says read more to understand how your referral program is. You can share the link over on Facebook, you can share it on WhatsApp, Twitter, and Reddit, and other messaging platform or social media platform. And this is actually working. And once you have your earnings, you can now check and once you have invited your friends and they have registered, you get your $10 earning. The next thing you just have to do is to cash out your money. If you want to cash out your money, you're gonna click on this part where it says billing, and the minimum threshold for withdrawal is $10. It means that once your friend is registered and you get your $10, it means you can get paid, or you can withdraw such money, or you can cash out that money instantly. And then you can still check on your dashboard for your earnings, and then they have much earning opportunity, which is to play games, to earn money, and to answer survey questions. I hope this video was quite educative. If you want to see more videos just like how to make money online or how to earn money online, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.